Hello everyone. This is Professor Gautam from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I am going to discuss about CHARPY impact test. Before starting today's session, I express my sincere thanks to virtual lab developed by Ministry of Education under the National Mission on Education through ICT, and also our sincere thanks to NITK, IITs and NITs. Now, we will start today's experiment through virtual lab. Okay. The objective of CHARPY impact test is to find out the impact resistance of mild steel and also cast iron. Apparatus used in this study is impact testing machine. Before starting the test, we have to find out loss of energy due to friction. To do that, without fixing the specimen, adjust a point to 300 joule and release the hammer, and we had noted that loss of energy due to friction is 1 joule, and these are all the standard dimensions we have to use to test the specimen. And you can note down distance between the support is 40 mm, radius of curvature of support is 10 mm, taper of support is 1 plus or minus zero point 0.1 in 5 slope, angle at the tip of the hammer is around 30°, radius of curvature of the tip of the hammer is 2 mm, length is 55 mm, width 10 mm, thickness 10 mm, and the root radius of notch is 1 mm, depth below notch is 8 mm, distance of center notch from ends of the test piece 27.5 mm, and angle between plane of symmetry of notch and longitudinal axis of test piece is around 90°. So here I am selecting a cast iron for the test, and this is the length we are going to use. Length 55.4 mm, breadth 9.52 mm, depth 9.4 mm, and depth of notch is 5.1 mm. So I will place my specimen here. You can see here, and I will move to the next step. In the next step, I will release the river, and hammer will go and hit to a specimen, and it has broken like this. Here you can see the broken specimen. So total loss of energy during transit of hammer is around 7 joule, and we had noted down the friction loss is 1 joule. Therefore, energy for failure of specimen is 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6 joule. And observation, as I said, loss of energy due to friction 1 joule, total loss of energy during transit of hammer is 7 joule, and energy for failure of specimen is 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6 joule. So in another trial, you select one more cast iron piece. Length is having around 58.87 mm, breadth 9.3 mm, depth 9.5 mm, and depth of notch is 5 mm. So in the trial number 2, again you just place that specimen here. Repeat the same steps. So release lever and hammer. It will hit to your specimen and it has broken like this. And here energy recorded is 4 joules. Friction loss is 1 joule. Therefore 4 minus 1. 3 joule is the energy for failure of specimen. So observation, loss of energy due to friction is 1 joule. Total loss of energy during transit of hammer is 4 joule. And energy for failure for specimen will be 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3 joule. Repeat for the another trial. You take the length of specimen 57.32 mm, breadth 9.62 mm, depth 9.82 mm, and depth of notch is 5.3 mm. Place the specimen here like this. Release the rammer and note down the energy required for the failure of the specimen, that is equal to 8 joule. Total loss of energy during transit of hammer is 8 joule. 1 joule is the friction loss. Therefore, energy for failure of the specimen is 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7 joule. Same observation. And finally, I tabulated all the result. Average of energy for failure of the specimen is equal to 5.33 joule. And this is how you have to conduct CHARPY impact test. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next session with another experiment.